Hello students, today we are going to read the poem Swift Things Are Beautiful. This beautiful poem is written by the great poetess Elizabeth Coatsworth. First of all, I would like to explain you the meaning of swift. Swift means fast moving things in the world. So, before starting the explaining you the poem, I would like to tell you about the theme of this poem. So, in this poem, the poet is describing the beauty of the world around us. There is beauty all over the world in every part of the earth. So, the poetess is also finding the beauty. She is finding beauty in both swift, that means fast flowing things, and slow moving things. She has explained the different animals which moves fast by giving examples of deer and swallow. She explained us the beauty of lightning that is also very fast. She explains about the rivers and meteors also, which also keeps moving fast. But all these things are having beauty of their own. So the poetess has explained us the beauty of the swift things. On the other hand, she is explaining the beauty of the slow moving things also. In this, she gave us the idea, gave us the examples of the day ending. You must have seen the sunset. It is going down very slowly, and the way in which a wave moves before crashing on the shore, that is also there. And the bloom of the flower is also very slowly, and all these things are also having beauty in it. The ox is an animal, so she has given more example. The ox like is an animal whose slow rhythm hints at the power that it conceals. Now we will read the poem. Swift things are beautiful, swallows and deers. Swallows and deers are the examples of animals. And lightning that falls. So, the lightning, you must have seen the lightning whenever the rain is there, it is also very fast. The and it falls whenever it falls, that is also is in a fast manner. So, bright, veined, and clear. Show the veins, they are also very clear and they also keep on moving. The blood in the veins, it also move fast. Rivers and meteors, wind and the heat. So rivers also and the meteors, they are the heavenly bodies, they also move very fast. And the wind, which we cannot see, but still it is there, that wind is always there, air is always there, it also keeps on moving. That is also, the movement is so fast that we are unable to feel it, we are unable to see it. The strong withered horse, the runner's sure feet. So the strong withered part, that is the upper part of the horse between its shoulders. तो shoulders के बीच में जो उसका part होता है उसको है, वो भी horse का बहुत तेज चलता है. And the runner's sure feet, जो रनर जो दौड़ लगाने वाला होता है रनर, वो भी बहुत तेज तेज चलता है. But all these things have beauty in them. On the other hand, the poetess has explained us the beauty, the natural beauty of the slow moving things also. Like, and slow things are beautiful, the closing of the day. So end of the day, whenever the sun is setting, it keeps on going down very slowly. We can feel that thing. We can see that the sun is going down. The pause of the wave that curves downward to spray. So the movement of the wave before striking to a rock, एक रॉक के साथ टकराने से पहले जो मूवमेंट होती है वेव की, हम कई बार उसको भी देख पाते हैं, समझ पाते हैं, फील कर पाते हैं. द एम्बर दैट क्रम्बल्स. सो कोल, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द कोल. कोल एकदम से बहुत गर्म होता है, बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली इट टर्न्स इनटू एशेस. वो जब राख में बदलने से पहले या ठंडा होने से पहले जो उसका कलर होता है वो धीरे 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 रेड से धीरे 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 कन्वर्ट होता है. So the opening flower, so the flower when it is blooming, so in that also that movement is also very slow. And the ox that moves on in the quiet of power. So the ox is also moving slowly and gradually and noiselessly. Without any noise, it keeps on moving, but powerfully, but energetically. Yani the movement of the ox, it keeps on going, it keeps on moving, and the work is also done with the movement of the ox. So this is the poem. We'll read the poem in our meeting also.